Airwaves, a brand new, fully loaded, proper big, fully loaded from 666 Mafia. All right, and he recommended that once you install it, shut it down and then relaunch it. Once you install it, give it a few ticks, or give it, as we say in England, give it a few minutes, and then shut it down, relaunch it, and probably shut it down again after a while. All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much.